Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove bank account on QuickBooks. So from here, we're just going to head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Bank Transactions. Aside from all your transactions list, from here you should be able to also see all the bank accounts that is connected in your QuickBooks account. While there's no specific option or setting to remove a connected bank account to your QuickBooks account, you can still remove a bank account just by hitting or clicking on this pencil icon. Then just head over and click on Edit Account Info. And the only way that you can remove a bank account from QuickBooks is just by clicking on this disconnect this account on save. And all you have to do is click on yes. Then once done, just click on save. That bank account will then be removed from your QuickBooks account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!